What if just 3 candlestick patterns could predict your next profitable trade? You may have a great strategy, but how would it feel to take it to the next level and enhance it? Or you may be looking to get a great strategy and may want that extra edge to have it even better. If you're new to the channel, my name is James Strong. I talk about trading the futures market as well as investing in the stock market. We trade to grow our capital, and we invest to build wealth over time and grow and appreciate our portfolio. We don't trade or invest. We trade and invest. So in this video, I'm gonna go ahead and jump into it. I'm gonna cover the top 3 candlestick patterns that I feel like everyday traders should know. These occur a lot and they have a high probability will help you become highly consistent and highly profitable. And if you are not already profitable, again, help you get there. If you are profitable, it'll help you enhance it. So this stuff is not standalone, but it definitely is an aid. It's a tool to add to your tool belt. You know what I mean? So you can become the strongest you want to be in your journey. So let's go ahead and jump into it. The first one we're going to cover is a bearish and bullish engulfing. Now, if you don't know what a bearish and bullish engulfing is, this is basically where, and we're going to draw this stuff, man. We're going to take, y'all know how I get down. Y'all know me, man. I love giving value to my people. So we're going to draw this stuff, man. Use a blue, right? A bearish and bullish engulfing. If I'm try to multitask and talk and draw at the same time. So basically it's like this. Get a little line. That's a wick. And don't judge me for my drawings now. So we'll use that. And let me draw another little body real quick. I'm just copy it over. We'll save some energy. Bullish. Boom. Whether it has a wick or not, right? I'm just draw this on here for the sake of this example. So this one, we're gonna make this go up. Green. Go down. Red. A bearish engulfing is pretty much when you're looking for the next candle to essentially eat, right? Engulf. It ate up. It just destroyed, sunk past this last candle. Vice versa. See if we can do this the easy way. Vice versa, right? When you have one like this, you have a small one, a bullish engulfing candle. It's literally the exact opposite, right? So you want the candle to buy to be drastically bigger than the sell candle. So it's kind of a signal of a reversal. It shows we're pretty much going, we're looking, the price may be changing direction. And again, depending on what time frame you're on, if you're doing higher time frame analysis, top down analysis, whatever you want to call it, right? A lot of this stuff means the same thing. So don't let the lingo mix you up if you're new, right? If depending on what you're looking at, you could be looking at on a 1 hour. Okay, I see a nice I see a nice bearish engulfing. Or we'll say bullish engulfing. Boom. I'm gonna zoom in and either I'm gonna catch a sell back down to fill that imbalance, or I'm gonna wait till it hits that area, see if it has some support. I'm gonna look for a nice buy on a lower time frame. So like these are the type of confirmations that these can help you have. This is how it looks, but it doesn't have to be that perfect. So when we come to the live market now, let's go find this one. So, I mean, literally like this area, let me take this magnet off. Literally right here is one. So I'm just gonna draw lines. There's one right there. It came up and price sunk down. That's a bearish engulfing. Same thing right here, bearish engulfing. Same thing right here, bearish engulfing. So you're pretty much looking, you can see like as the first one came and it sold off hard, it pulled back. Same thing, pulled back, and it kept giving investors more opportunities to come in until initially it just sunk down. Vice versa, right? So we look for some bullish ones. Bullish engulfing right here. Another strong bullish engulfing right here. What you really want is, a strong presence of like buying, or again, if you're looking for a bearish, selling power. So like here, there was a lot of selling power. Buying power, pardon me. A lot of buying power right to this sale. This sale was kind of like, it wasn't quite a doji, which, the doji is pretty much like price can't tell if it's really going up or down. It's kind of like in the middle. So I'll just draw one for real. I mean, it really just looks like this. Like, this is like I don't use the word perfect because nothing's perfect, but essentially that's what a doji is. It's like price didn't really, where it opened and closed, it pretty much closed in the same price. It didn't really go up or down. So this one wasn't quite a doji, but you can tell, I mean, the high price was at like 20,063. Low price was at 20,045. I mean, for the NASDAQ, like that barely moved. And you can see that here, like there's not really much on it. And so then there was a try to sell, wick down, and it has strong buying pressure. Like, that's a good one, right? The next candle pattern we want to look for: tweezer tops and tweezer bottoms. Tweezer tops and tweezer bottoms, and we go back down here. This is when, with those same candles, imagine some actual tweezers, like in a bathroom or something. The wicks are going to meet. They literally just meet, like at the same, low price or high price. And with these, it really doesn't matter what the body does. Like, it could look just like this. Because we're not talking about double tops or double bottoms and stuff like that. That's different, right? Tweezer tops like this. Even if the price was here, it hit the same area. The same low price as far as the wicks. Same thing with this. Let's just say, like, for example purposes, this was like this. Long as the wick comes to the same place, that is a tweezer top and tweezer bottom. So now let's go find this in the real market. And I'm literally just picked the last day. I'll scroll back next, but look quickly. See if I can find a decent one. Close. I wouldn't really count that. So like, one thing I would say doesn't have to be perfect. So like, me personally, this to me is a tweezer bottom. Like, it pretty much came down to the same price. But I want to actually find a clean one, so let's just scroll left. So boom, right here. These two. A little paintbrush. This right here. You can see when they went and those wicks matched perfectly. High point, high point. Literally, it came up, wicked up again, and then price sunk down for this big move. So, as an added confirmation, this could be one of your confirmations to get in for a nice sale. Have it above the wicks or something like that. Catch a nice one. Whatever you want to do, fixed risk reward, target other wicks, what have you. But this is another good one. Let's find another one real quick. Scroll. And like I said, the main thing is these are not to be perfect. People think they do, they don't. If it takes too long, I'm not gonna find one. We're gonna keep on so we can keep getting this money. So like, boom, here's another one to me. Up. Try to go up, wicked again, came down. Tweeze the top. Simple as that. Like, this stuff is not hard, so we're not about to make it hard at all. And then we want to look for a morning and evening star. Now, with a morning and evening star, this is like another variation of kind of like the bearish and bullish engulfing, but it has multiple candles. Now, when it comes to a morning and evening star, this is essentially what it looks like. Easier to me, truthfully, than just drawing it. And then we can draw it as well when we need to, right? So this candle will be green. And it's like almost a complete opposite. Like, it really doesn't matter how big or small. Price could be coming down. I'm just gonna show you for this example, right? Boom, price is coming down, comes up, and then starts to shoot up. That's a morning star. This is like a good reversal pattern as well. Move this one over here. I don't even care about the wicks for real. So these are what it looked like. In theory, this is the cleanest way you can look at this stuff. Price is coming down no matter how big or small, whatever, right? We're selling down. Okay, cool. And then little, I don't know, we trying to go up, and then boom, gone. Same thing. This wouldn't be this big usually. Be like that. We going up. Okay, cool. Been going up whatever time frame. Doesn't really matter, right? Boom, going up. Pop, pop, gone. Price takes off. Obviously, it will be more like this in the real market. They will actually be like, where price finish close, the next candle obviously picks up. But these are demonstration purposes. So that's how a morning star, evening star looks. And the same thing, man. You're going to see this stuff all the time. So when you add this to your strategy and to what you do, it's going to make it very potent. I'm telling you. Like, boom. No matter how big or small. And obviously, when you go to a higher time frame, use this stuff, it's crazy. Like, it's crazy. So like right here, sell down, up, up. Like 2 pops and then a third one. And there's a name for like the 3 candle version, but it's pretty much the same thing. Here, up, down, down, strong one. We went down for a little bit. Now this is why you need to use the higher time frame, because it really just pulled back, took the low of this candle, so you could tell it just grabbed liquidity right here. All it did was pretty much come tap into this area. No, I actually didn't grab liquidity. It tapped into this little support area. So this little support area just tapped back into it again. That's why I had that long tail wick, and they had another wick in that same area, and then went up. Same thing here, right? Here's a morning star. So down, up, and then took off. So when you start combining stuff, especially with higher time frame analysis, man, it begins potent. Combine it with imbalances, combine it with if you use like fibs. But you want to combine these, man. This right here can take your strategy that's good and make it great. I'm telling you. So check this out, man. If you want to learn more about futures trading, how I trade, anything like that, go to my description. Everything's in my description. Get my resources I have available for you guys, man. I want as many people to win. If you want to know more about investing, obviously watch the investing videos. And let's keep making this money, man. So you already know the deal. If you like making money, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And with that being said, I'm going to catch y'all in the next video, man. Much love.